Hey, RC pilots, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and today we're flying into the future with the top 5 best RC planes of 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first plane or an experienced flyer wanting the latest and greatest, we've got something awesome for you. From high-performance racers to easy-to-fly trainers, these picks are hand-tested for quality, fun, and value. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out and grab the best deals. Let's get started and find your next favorite RC plane. 5-point Volantex RC P40. Meet the X-Pilot Stabilization System RC airplane, the perfect easy-to-fly trainer built for beginners and fun enough for experienced pilots. Featuring an ultra-stable self-stabilizing gyro and a powerful overgrade motor system, this plane delivers smooth control and confident aerobatic performance. With 3 flight assist levels, beginner, intermediate, and expert, you can learn step by step and switch to full manual control as your skills grow. Enjoy outdoor adventures with a 2.4 GHz control range up to 656 feet, strong anti-interference for group flying, and up to 20 minutes of flight time thanks to an efficient gearbox system. Best of all, it's fully assembled and ready to fly straight out of the box. Just add transmitter batteries and take off in under a minute. A great RC airplane for beginners, adults, and anyone ready to have more fun in the sky. 4-port RC Eshabi RC airplane. Take to the skies with this easy-to-fly RC plane, designed especially for beginners who want a smooth and confident flying experience. Built from durable EPP foam and equipped with the ultra-stable X-Pilot gyro stabilizer, plus a powerful motor gear system, this plane is incredibly easy to control. It features 3 flight control modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, so you can learn step by step and progress at your own pace. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time thanks to its efficient gearbox that delivers strong power with low energy consumption. With a 2.4 GHz control range of up to 656 feet and excellent anti-interference performance, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. Best of all, it comes fully assembled and includes 2 3.7-volt 400 mAh LiPo batteries, a USB charging cable, spare propellers, and a user manual. Everything you need to start flying right away. 3. Hobby Zone AeroScout S2 1.1 meter RTF Basic. Meet the ultimate trainer aircraft built to last and designed to grow with you. Whether you're a first-time pilot or an experienced flyer teaching others, this ultra-durable trainer delivers confidence from takeoff to landing. Exclusive safe technology helps prevent crashes and smooths out mistakes, making learning to fly easier and less stressful. With beginner, intermediate, and experienced flight modes, you can switch skill levels instantly at the flip of a switch. It includes nearly everything you need to get airborne. Just add a compatible LiPo battery and charger. Plus, the Spectrum DXS transmitter with DSMX 2.4 GHz technology ensures rock-solid, interference-free control every time you fly. 2 Dirk US F-18. Take to the skies with this F-18 fighter jet RC plane, designed with realistic jet styling, a clean paint finish, and a bold skull-tail fin that stands out in flight. Its 4-channel control system, dual motors, and built-in 6-axis gyro deliver smooth, stable, and responsive performance. Perfect for beginners learning rolls, flips, and inverted flight. Built from durable imported Japanese EPP foam with a reinforced airframe and silicone-protected nose, it's made to handle impacts and keep flying. Enjoy flexible launch options with both ground takeoff and hand launch. Fly confidently in parks or open fields, and experience strong power with up to 20 minutes of total flight time thanks to 2 600 mAh batteries. The reliable 2.4 GHz control system offers up to 500 feet range, low interference performance, and a low battery warning for safer flights, backed by responsive after-sales support for complete peace of mind. 1-point Hawkswork Z50 ready and easy to fly. This RC glider is perfect for beginners thanks to its built-in self-stabilization system that helps you learn fast. Most first-time pilots can get the hang of it in just a few hours. Its lightweight yet durable foam construction is designed to handle minor crashes, making it an ideal first RC plane. The reliable 2.4 GHz radio control system allows smooth control in 4 directions: up, down, left, and right, and even lets multiple planes fly together without signal interference. For total peace of mind, it comes with a 1-year aircraft warranty and a 3-month battery warranty. plus dedicated technical support to help you through any issues. Just check the user manual before takeoff, and you're ready to enjoy the fun of RC flying with confidence. And that wraps up our top 5 best RC planes of 2026. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your fleet, each of these planes brings something unique to the table. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest prices, specs, and availability. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future RC reviews and comparisons. Got a favorite RC plane we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy flying.